Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Excel versus Drachenlord. Let's dive into their fundamental differences right away. Excel is a robust software application designed for complex data management, calculations, and visualization. Drachenlord, on the other hand, is a public figure known for his online presence and interactions. Understanding their core functions is key to appreciating their unique roles. When it comes to functionality, Excel excels at processing vast amounts of data. You can create intricate spreadsheets, perform advanced calculations, and generate insightful reports for business or personal finance. Drachenlord's primary function involves creating digital content, engaging with his audience, and reacting to online events, offering a different kind of value through entertainment. Excel's strengths lie in its precision and versatility for professional tasks, allowing users to manage budgets, track projects, and analyze trends with high accuracy. Its limitations are typically user-dependent. Drachenlord's strength is his direct, unfiltered connection with his community, though his content can be polarizing. His limitations are inherent to his persona and public interactions. Ultimately, determining which is better depends entirely on your objective. If you need to manage finances, analyze statistics, or create detailed reports, Excel is the clear choice. If you are seeking a particular style of internet personality and community interaction, Drachenlord fulfills that role. They serve completely different domains, making a direct comparison of better impractical.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.